Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 5, module 5. Again, I post these reminders or weekly announcements along with suggested due dates to try to keep you on track to move throughout the semester. So this week we're going to be looking at duty in terms of developing and valuing people and resources. I'll ask you to think about how you can do it and how you have been valued by others. So growing and developing people is one topic, and some specific ideas about how to do that are provided. Your assignment here in terms of the discussion board is to talk about what you have done or what you will done to develop others and whether or not you've used any of the strategies that were provided. Already got people working on that. And then respond to others. And then the second part of valuing your people and your resources. You've got 2 different videos here to help you think about your response to the individual assignment, which is to reflect back on your own experience at work. And you can use work or a team or be as a student, depending on where you are in your career. What are some ways that your bosses rewarded people? Were they effective? So have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions.